Hey guys, welcome back. Charles Scicli here, Desert Elite Properties, bringing you another brand new listing in Rancho Las Palmas, 102 Avenida Las Palmas. Come on in. Welcome to Rancho Las Palmas. In Rancho Las Palmas, this is the Plan 30, but this Plan 30 is one of one and custom to the max. Huge open floor plan, big huge island here, all custom cabinetry throughout. You have Sub-Zero built-in fridge here, espresso machine, 48-inch Wolf range, all marble travertine floors throughout, big baseboards, super high ceilings, and tons of additional upgrades. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing in Rancho Las Palmas, 102 Avenida Las Palmas. I'm Charles Scicli with Desert Elite Properties. For more information, contact me direct.